All right, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rich and this is Light Street Creations. I'm going to keep this video short because it's been a long day. So the question is, should you start a craft show business or a small handmade business in 2025? The short answer is yes, you should definitely do it, but it's going to take time and it's going to take hard work. I want to talk a little bit about a phenomenon that's going on YouTube right now. It's a nice lady called Dodash, and her channel just blew up overnight. The truth is, she's put up video after video over years, and finally she got that lightning in a jar where one of her videos took off, and then she ran with it and another video took off and another video took off, and now she's very successful. The truth is, it's hard work. If you want to do a craft show business or a small handmade business, it's hard work. You got to put in the time, you got to put in the hours, and that's just how it goes. My first craft show, I didn't sell a single item. And luckily, I've grown, I've learned from it. Now I do fairly well, but the learning curve was steep. And I'm telling you that the only way that you're going to know if you can make a successful business or not is if you go ahead and jump and try it and do it and work at it and put in the time. So that's all I wanted to talk about. I just wanted to keep the video short and sweet, and I will see you in the next one. Let me figure out how to turn this thing off.